video, we're going to be unboxing Disney's Happy Places Minnie Mouse Waffle Kitchen theme pack, as well as some Disney Happy Places blind boxes, which look like books. I've done an unboxing of these once before. They're super adorable, really fun. They're sold individually for about $3.99, and I got them at Target and Walmart. The Disney Happy Places are made for ages 5 and up by Moose Toys, and once you unwrap the plastic and see inside the cover, it's a Minnie Mouse. Then you know which set it is. It's either Belle, Cinderella, or Minnie Mouse. Ooh, plastic is hard to get off sometimes. But once you open it, you get a little piece of flooring, and well, you get the list, the kind of guidebook of all the different sets that are available. And then you unwrap your plastic. Let's see if this is one I already have. Ooh, something's coming out. It's a little spoon. I don't have a little spoon. What is it? What is it? It's a mini teapot. A teacup. So cute. So in this one, I got the teapot, the teacup, and the teaspoon. It's really adorable. And unlike the other Happy Places, there's no faces, so it's not like a petkin or a shopkin. It's just a little teapot with some really cute Minnie Mouse detail. Here's a closer look at the teacup, and finally the teaspoon. Let's look inside the others. everything I have, and I've actually almost have everything. I've been fortunate only to get doubles a few times. I have 3 sets of the plates with fork holder and book, which is actually great because that's almost like a full place setting for a table. And then I have duplicates of the mirror, hair dryer, and comb. But other than that, I've been pretty lucky. And I'm only missing one of the Minnie Mouse sets. And the Minnie Mouse is my favorite collection. I don't have the toaster plate and toast, but I have all of the other Minnie Mouse individuals. So let's take a look at the Happy Places Disney Minnie Mouse Waffle Kitchen Theme Pack. Again, this is made by Moose Toys for ages 5 and up. You can see on the side an adorable illustration of Minnie Mouse. On the back, it details what's in the theme pack and a little bit about Goldie Bo. Happiness is working up the perfect waffles to create breakfast perfection. This girl can mix it with the best when it comes to fashion and flavor. Always straight to the point, she never waffles on. She knows exactly how to create her happy place. There's a lot of super cute stuff in this theme pack, so let's get to the unboxing. So this theme pack comes with Goldie Bo, this adorable little shoppy, with Minnie Mouse waffle themed molded on clothing, including these little waffle shoes, this removable dress and apron with a waffle print skirt, Minnie Mouse shapes on her apron, and on her chef's hat. She does come with this doll stand with Minnie Mouse ears. You just place the doll on the doll stand. It comes with 2 tiles that snap together. They're a light blue wood grain pattern with some mouse details. It comes with this adorable counter and sink with drawers that open and some side decal detail of towels and this mouse-eared shape sink bowl. There's also this drawer set. Again, the drawers open. Minnie Mouse detail and bows for handles. There's a decal on the top that shows a waffle recipe with some flour and a spoon. Now here are the cutest details. We have a measuring cup, a plate, waffle mix, a paper towel holder and roll, a whisk and a fork, this adorable jar of syrup, a waffle maker, a microwave that opens, this trash can made of paperboard that needs some light assembly, and my absolute favorite part, these little waffles. So cute! All of these Happy Place items are absolutely adorable, but I have to say my favorites are the Minnie Mouse theme packs. So cute!